Everybody, and we have Master Advanced Physics for all top exams, Projectiles 2 here now. We are from NRK Academy. Projectile equations for a body thrown at an angle to the horizontal. Thrown at an angle to the horizontal. You can see in the figure, thrown at an angle to the horizontal. Here the two motions are. Again, we have to consider two motions like we did in Projectiles 1. The two motions are u cos theta in the horizontal direction, u sin theta in the vertical directions. We have already seen if we want to resolve a vector into two rectangular components, then it is a cos theta in the horizontal direction, a sin theta in the vertical direction. U is the two-dimensional. It has an angle to the horizontal, as you can see. So u cos theta in the horizontal direction, u sin theta in the vertical direction is actually the can be resolved into two motions like that. So u cos theta is equal to r by t. U cos theta is equal to r by t. U cos theta is the horizontal direction. In the horizontal direction, when you throw it at an angle, there is no gravity. There is no gravity. So you have u is equal to distance by time. That's all we took. See how simple we made it. So u cos theta is in the horizontal direction. There is no gravity on it. It's a single motion. And s by t, r by t. R is the range and t is the time of flight. Then we have v in the vertical direction. What will be v? 0. Only in the vertical direction. In the vertical direction, what is u sin theta. So we have an equation like v is equal to u plus at. So v is equal to 0 is equal to u sin theta minus gt. The equation, from which equation have we got this equation? V is equal to u plus at, which we know very clearly from kinematics. Then s is equal to ut plus half at square, right? So s is h here. In the vertical direction, it is u sin theta into t, ut plus half gt square. Ut plus half gt square. And so minus u square sin square theta is equal to 2gh. This is from v square minus u square is equal to 2s. So we have taken the three equations. V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equal to 2s. So time taken to reach the maximum height, T max, time taken to reach the maximum height is u sin theta by g. That's clear enough. At h is equal to greatest height reached, theta is 90 and sin 90 is 1. So look at it here. Time taken to reach the maximum height, T max. At h, greatest height reached, theta is 90. See, theta keeps changing. And sin 90 is 1. So T max, not T, not time of flight. Time T max, time taken to reach the maximum height is equal to u sin theta by g. If we keep theta in many various times also, we can find, but that will be for theta only, not for the maximum height. So it goes from sin 1, sin 2, sin 3, sin 4, sin 10, sin 20. At sin 90, it has reached the maximum height. So T max is equal to u sin theta, but sin theta at that maximum height is 1, sin 90 is 1. So you have T max is equal to u by g. H is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. H is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. So u square by 2g sin theta is equal to 1. Because sin theta is equal to 1. So h is equal to the maximum height reached is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. It comes from the equation. And sin theta is sin 91. So you have u square by 2g. So these are the basic equations. We'll again revisit these equations before we do problems in the revision. We'll get a sense of the equation. Total time of flight is double the time of maximum height reached, right? Half the time, you know. So total time of flight is equal to t is equal to 2 into u sin theta by g. And what is the equation of trajectory? Please understand this equation. Y is equal to x tan theta minus g into g square by 2u square cos square theta. Again I repeat, y is equal to x tan theta minus g square by 2u square cos square theta. What's the meaning of this? It's a relationship between y and x. At any point of x, at any point of y, it is the equation of the trajectory. The that parabola like that, it comes and then comes down also. So that is so simple. How did we make it so simple? We made it so simple by, I repeat, let's do the summary now. We made it so simple because we have reduced a two-dimensional motion into two one-dimensional motion. All we did was we took U and we broke it into two components, U cos theta and U sin theta. We took U cos theta separately. We took U sin theta separately, and that is a technique in projectiles. Please understand, that is a technique in projectiles. When there are two motions, you can take two one-dimensional motions, one independent of the other. You have two motions actually. In the body itself, two motions are happening, two motions are there in the body. But what are we doing for analysis? We are taking one motion in the horizontal direction, one motion in the vertical direction, and taking them independent of each other. That is the technique. So before we do problems, we'll revisit these formulae. We'll know clearly how to use this formulae. But I want you to get the concept now. You have got the concept. And the fundamental concepts again are the same. Fundamentally, we need only V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square is equal to 2S. And this technique of reducing two motions, I repeat for the last time, into two one-dimensional motions, each independent of the other. Okay. Thank you so much.